In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a table in WordPress using Tablepress plugin. To begin, open your browser and head to the Sites area on WordPress.com. This is your starting point to manage websites tied to your account. From there, look for the Plugins option in your dashboard. Opening the Plugins section gives you access to tools you can add to your site to extend its features. And Tablepress is one of the most popular options for building clean, sortable tables without writing code. In the plugin directory, use the search bar and type Tablepress. If you don't see it right away, make sure you're in the plugins view and try the search again. When the result appears, select the listing called Tablepress, Tables in WordPress Made Easy. This takes you to the plugins details page. It's a good idea to verify the plugin name and icon so you know you're on the official page before you proceed. On the plugin page, start with the Description tab. This overview explains what Tablepress does, typical use cases, and key features like importing from CSV or Excel, sorting columns, and pagination. Next, switch to the Installation tab. Here you'll find the recommended way to add and activate the plugin in your WordPress.com environment. Reading this section helps you understand any prerequisites and where to find the plugin once it's installed. Then, check the Changelog tab to see recent updates, compatibility notes, and how actively it's maintained. Finally, open the FAQs tab for quick answers to common questions, such as styling tips and how to handle larger tables efficiently. When you're ready to move forward, click the Get Started button on the plugin page. This begins the guided setup so you can use Tablepress with a WordPress.com site. You'll be taken to a flow that asks about your domain. If you want a new address, use the Search Domains option to look up availability and pick one that fits your brand. If you already own a domain elsewhere, choose the Already Have a Domain option to connect it. Follow the prompts to use your existing domain and then click Continue. The system will walk you through the remaining steps, like confirming your selection and finishing site setup. Once the setup completes, Tablepress will be available in your dashboard, typically with its own menu. From there, you can start creating tables, import data from spreadsheets, and insert tables into posts or pages using shortcodes or the block editor. If you ever need help, revisit the Description, Installation, Changelog, and FAQs tabs for guidance and best practices.